Okay, we're going to do an edit in the style of David Benjamin Sherry. He is a really colourful photographer. He layers a coloured overlay over the top of a photograph and creates these monotone images, which are really creative, but so simple to do. Perfect for all abilities, and actually a really good one to combine with lots of other photographers. So let me show you how to do it. Start with a landscape photo, could be anything really, but if we're going for something that's in his style, I've chosen this photo of trees in the woodland. So we would start by making this photo black and white. By doing that, it takes out any of the other colours in the background. Go to Image, Adjustments, and Desaturate. At this stage, you can play around with the colours, the contrast and the brightness if you want to. I'm quite happy with this one for now. Next, add a new layer down in the bottom, and then find your bucket tool and choose a colour that's going to work in his style. I'm going to go for like a medium blue, and I'm just going to fill that top layer so it's completely coloured. From there, I'm going to blend that layer down into the black and white image. So over here at the top of the layers section, you've got all the different ways you can blend your layers, and you can test a few of these. You'll get different effects, as you can see here. Generally, the photographer ends up with a fairly light sky. Something like the overlay one, I think, is pretty effective. You could keep going though. You could play around with one till you can get happy with it. The blue sky looks quite cool too. And it's that simple. Okay, so give that a go. Once you've got to that stage and you're happy with it, if you're doing your GCSE or A-levels and you're trying to show lots of different variations of your photographer, trying to meet that criteria for AO2, a really easy thing you could do at this stage would be to change the hue and saturation. So if you go through to Image, Adjustments, Hue, Saturation, and just drag that top line, you can see that the whole image changes at the same time. So we might go for like a pinky tone, and at that point you might then decide to try a different blend. Like the overlay, and that's it. So save a few different versions, and then try it with a different image. Let me know what you think. And make sure you're following, because I've got loads more of these videos in the style of different photographers to support you with your experiments.